U T I G. The little duck. What U T? Run. What U T?
What do you see?
The bird.
Oh,
The little duck. What U T? Little duck. What U T?
oh, I think it was red bird.
Uh-oh.
Oh, right? Do you need help?
Yeah.
Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me.
What we spoke with you? Meh. We spoke with what? What it?
Ribbit. What is it?
What it?
Ribbit. Is it a frog?
People with you.
Green frog. What do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat. What do you? I see a white dog
What duck?
looking at me. White dog.
I see water.
I see. What is it? Oh, a black sheep. Black sheep. Bah. Bah. Black sheep, what do you see? I see what is that?
Sister.
A goldfish.
Fish. Run.
I see
Teacher.
teacher looking at me.
Teacher, what you see? I see.
Children.
Chin.
Jill.
Chin.
Chin.
It's you.
It's me.
Mommy.
Mommy. I think it's a boy.
Daddy.
Daddy's a boy.
Mommy.
Yeah, it's a girl. Boy. All done.
It's her.
My turn?
Yes.
Okay. Red,
Duck.
yellow duck.
I want my
What
key.
do you see?
I want my key.
Okay.
Oh,
A green frog
what?
looking at me.
What?
Green frog. What?
No.
What is it?
Oh, it's a cat.
A cat? Looking at me.
Oh, the puppy. Teacher M&M.
Teacher M&M. Children.
Yeah.
Yay! Good job. I got another book for you.
It's a die.
It's a. Tell me what this is. What is that?
It's a window baby.
It's a window, baby?
Yes.
Can you tell me what this is?
Yeah.
And I'll get you milk.
Huh?
What is it?
Sure.
A chair?
It's baby chair.
What's what that is?
Little bath.
Oh, a bath. It's inside the bath.
The duck in the bath.
Ducks are in the bath. And what's this on top?
Knife.
Knife. And what's this?
Fork.
And what's down here?
Spoon.
Good job.
Knife.
A plate.
Plate.
Madison, what is this?
Go.
What is it? I'll help you. Tell me what this. Say, I want my milk, please.
I want that milk, please.
Good job. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.